This method is nothing, just a well-dressed for loop for a desired output. Hello my dear friends, my name is Samir. In today's video, we will going to learn Array.some method for getting an output based on some condition, and the output type would be boolean. So that's why we are using this Array.some, and so now we are going to write our code to understand how it works. I will create a const variable. We will say age more than 1. Let me give you some characteristics of this Array.some method. It takes a callback function like array.map and array.foreach. It returns the boolean value. Unlike array.map and filter, this will return as a boolean value, not the whole array. This is the point to be noted. Let's write some code to check whether the age is greater than 1 in this given names array. So we have an age variable over here, like the property over here for each element. So we will just write names.sum, and we'll take an argument item, and we will pass in our logic over here in the curly braces. Turn item dot age greater than 1. Okay, so this is our condition, item dot age is greater than 1. So let me tell you one more interesting fact about this Array.some method. It is that if it does not see whether each and every element has age greater than 1, if it finds age is greater than 1 for the first element, it will just return true. It will not iterate even further. It will just return true. Let's print a console. Age more than 1. Let me run this file in the terminal. Like I said, if it sees that first element has passed the condition, it will just return true. And to check that, let us see how many times this for loop has been executed, right? Console.log. So let us save this, and we should see only one element over here. Yes, like I said, if the first element has passed the condition, it will just return true and it will not look further in the next elements. Let me change the ages. Let me call it 0. So this is -10. This is also 0. Now you see that it will run for all these 3 elements. At this point it will return true. Let me run this. Yes, like I said, our sum method has not passed this condition, then it will look further in the next element, and once the condition is passed, it will stop its execution. This is how Array.some works. That is it, guys, and you can play around with any type of callback over here. This was very simple just for explanation, but you can write much complex callback function in. That's it from my side, guys, and if you really like my content, you can give it a like, and you can subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.